So my name's Jake, and I've come to a course on BRR and lease option agreements.
And what have you learned this year?
Um, I've learned that you can put down a £1 payment, and you can agree a price to be paying on a property, and you can secure your property to with the option to buy in 5, 10 years. You get given the equations and stuff like that to work out what suits you on what deal, and
And is that quite eye opening? Is that something that
yeah,
you see?
definitely. So it means you can get into the game without any money. Some deals do need investors and stuff like that, but with the community that we've got around us, it's a perfect opportunity for that. So,
And you joined the academy. How long has that process been going on?
so I've just joined this week. I've obviously seen the value and committed to that. So yeah.
Right. And what about the network that you're going to have access to?
Yeah, it's brilliant. So we have solicitors, we have people who've got experience, they've made the mistakes and they've done it themselves. So any questions that you've got, you're able to just go up to your mentors and ask them, get support and their opinion on what you should do.
Great. And what's it been like seeing deals being made in Korea?
Yeah, it's been really motivating. It shows you that it's possible, and it lights a fire in yourself. It shows you that it's possible, and seeing it around you makes you want to do it yourself. So.
Great. And what would you say to someone looking to get into property?
Definitely get yourself in and around a network who are already in the situation. As I say, it helps massively to be in a circle like that because you can learn from other people's mistakes, get advice, and you can also get partnerships and joint ventures and stuff like that. So yeah.